Hey guys, welcome back to another video on coding in R using ChatGPT, and in this video we're going to be covering how to compute average scores and then build a basic regression model without interpreting the coefficients. We'll reserve that for another video, but just the syntax of how to get your regression model up and running. So again, just a review of this data set. We have a data set of 9 observations and 8 variables, and I want to create an AI conservatism score and a human conservatism score using the 3 items that we have. So, we know how to do it using the mutate function, but then let's just ask ChatGPT to do it. So, hey ChatGPT, I have a data set called combined comments, and I'm going to give it to you below. It has 9 observations and 8 variables, and I want you to take the 3 variables called traditionalism, and then preservation, and then collectivism, and those are the AI ratings that were done. And then there's variables that are called user, that start with user underscore, and with the same names, and then I want you to put them into a variable using the mutate dplyr function called with human ratings, that reference human ratings. And then I want you to write me the syntax for a regression model that takes human ratings and AI ratings and then plot them on a scatter plot, maybe using base R instead of ggplot. So let's see what it does, and then you can also just throw in the structure so that it knows what the variable names are, and let's see what it comes out. Let's just giving me the comments there, how to create my original data set, create composite variables. Here, let's take a look at what the code looks like. All right. So we have combined comments is equal to this data set. So we're updating the data set, and that's what this line is doing. We do a pipe operator and then mutate. We create a new variable called AI rating, which is equal to traditional progressivism plus this variable divided by 3. That's the definition of an average. And then human rating, where we add up the user variables divided by 3, and that's an average. So then we can just run this code, and then we can see we have a bunch of human ratings and a bunch of AI ratings. Now, to get a regression model, we use the LM function. So I know we've printed out the code here, but I can just kind of, what we can do, it's super simple. LM stands for linear model, because that's what we're doing, a linear regression. And then we do, let's say, as human ratings go up, AI ratings also go up. So AI ratings, let's make them the dependent variable. AI rating is predicted by, that's what the tilde stands for, human rating, data equals combined comments. And let's just do this. And that's the output, right? Like, we just by running that single line of code, we can get our intercept beta 0 and our human rating 0.9386. So we interpret that, we can expand a bit more in another video, but we interpret that as for every increase, 1 unit increase in human ratings, AI ratings go up by 0.94. And so if we wanted more explanation, we can save it as a model, and then we can use the summary function on the model, and then we can observe some output. Your eyes over time will get really used to seeing this regression output. I guess we can unpack it a little bit here, but the human ratings, again, the slope is right here, the intercept is right here, and then we can see that the slope actually has a significant value here. Again, this is just a little bit better. Reran it to get the better output. But yeah, it turns out we have a significant effect where there, we ran a t-test on this slope coefficient, and then we found it to be significant. And then therefore we conclude that as human ratings go up by 0.94, or go up 1 unit, AI ratings go up by 0.94 units. And that's how you build a regression model. Why don't we plot the scatter plot? There's the syntax for you if you want it, but here we go. So we can see that as AI ratings, I guess in this case it's as AI ratings go up. No, we need to switch it because our regression model says otherwise. But okay, that's fine. So as human ratings go up, this one is a +3, that's a +3. There is a linear relationship in between human ratings and AI ratings, and that's how you plot a regression model, and that's how you build a regression model, and that's how you compute mean scores. We'll expand more on that in another video. See you next time.